And this is when I realized that I haven't drawn at all for like over 1 month. So I had to get something get something done in my sketchbook. Anything at all. It didn't take much time, but it looked cool. I think so. And so that is how it looks at the end. And then I get back to studies, obviously, because I had an exam coming up the day after this, I think so. It was actually on 28th and I'm already done with that exam. I have more exams over the next week. So I think I have exams in calculus, discrete structures, classical physics and environmental chemistry. And I have to study a lot for those. And over the next week, I think I will be in this kind of grind mode. And let's see how it goes. Studying at your desk all day can get really boring. So just to make this interesting, one thing college really helps with is providing other study places, to one of which I'm going right now. I'll just pack my bag and get there. You can see the kind of view we have from the top floor. At this point I'm kind of done with some of the lecture notes and I still have like 4 or 5 remaining, but I'll leave from here right now because it's getting dark and there is no lighting capability at this point, and I'll just get something to eat and then go back to my room. Then probably go to the mess for dinner later. So yeah, here is a little sneak peek from how it looks from the top floor of academic block C. You can actually see the hostels. Those are the hostels, and you can see the mess. To the left of the hostel you can see the other hostels at the academic block A and the vast empty area which will probably be filled in over the next 5 to 6 years. One thing that made this evening really special is the colors in the sky. You can actually see the colors through the various openings in these buildings. I think I have more videos after this which will showcase the amazing like purple and bluish color the sky had that day. It looks really amazing. So just let me go down and I'll show you. cafe in our college is probably my favorite place to spend time with. I don't even need the free drinks. I just go to talk to them. They become really good friends of me, and they are really kind, really amazing at calligraphy. They're hosting an event where if you share their post on Facebook, then they will write your name in kanji. If you guys don't know, kanji is a Japanese script. And this is when she was writing my name in kanji. And I'm not gonna lie, this is amazingly awesome. I mean, these guys are one of the reasons I got back to learning Japanese again, and I'm doing good. I hope to be fluent in Japanese in 3 to 4 years, like before I leave college. So heads up for that. And I really like the kanji, so I put it on my wall beside the anime posters. And another really cool thing are the nocturnal walks. This is some photos from those night walks we do, and you can see the time that we have already stayed up way too late. And it's already been 2 days when we didn't sleep at all. We were just roaming around at night in the campus, and it's so fun.